So here we are, helping Emma move. Emma will move from Nightingale House to Nightingale House, and here we go. These are the steps. I don't like, there's nice artwork there. It's quite pleasant. And then there's some more here, and then there's some more steps. I've just brought a bed up these steps. I wanted to work for Pickford's. Anyway, then we go up these steps with a corner, very tricky when you've got a bed. And then up some more steps, and there's some more artwork, look. And then you get up here, and then you have to go round the corner. Do you know how difficult that is with a bed? And then here we are, number 12. You wouldn't have thought we'd rehearse this. Oh, who lives at number 12? Who lives at number 12? Is that it? This is for your grandma.
No, because I know this goes on YouTube.
This is for your grandma.
No, because I found myself on YouTube.
Did you?
Yeah, YouTube public information.
Yeah. Anyway, look at that mess in here. William will say hello.
Hello.
Hey, there's William. William said hello. Emma, say hello. Nice smile. And anyway,
You can't see anything.
it's a bit of a mess, isn't it? It's going to take ages to sort out. But yes, it's all right. And we've been doing moving, and you can still look. I don't know what I think the X on the window is just some sort of condemned thing. But behind the X, you can still see the park, which is very nice. Vicky's been helping.
Hello.
That'll have to do. And there's all sorts of interesting things. Here's Emma's dumbbell set. And would you like to show us round? You're going to show Grandma round?
This is the kitchen.
Yeah, it's the kitchen, yeah.
This is the bathroom.
Oh,
We
yeah.
actually have a bath.
Yeah, got a bath now. Because didn't have a bath in the old flat. So that's a big improvement, having a bath.
Yep.
And that'll be nice. Still got a shower, but it's also got a bath. That's all very pleasant. Yeah.
This is the stair.
Yeah, you have to use your imagination in these rooms because it's mid-move.
And do you know where that looks out on?
Why is the light not on?
That looks out on the car park where our old. If you
Oh,
look round the corner.
does it?
You won't be able to. You'll probably see out the other window.
Well, anyway, this is another room here. This is going to be the guest room. This will be where I'm staying when I come to Nottingham to see the cricket. And this, well, this is a gym climbing frame they've had installed for doing exercises. No, it's the bed, but we haven't got it back together again yet. There's Emma wearing her red non-Liverpool hat, and yes, again, difficult. You have to use your imagination at the minute because it's all work in progress, isn't it? I don't know why Vicky and Will have stood here not doing something, because there's a lot of things still to move, isn't there, Emma? A lot of things still to move, isn't there? You won't get paid for just standing around.
Well, we can get the cappuccino cake now if I can find one.
Oh, there's a cappuccino cake. Everywhere I've been during this move, I've been in the wrong house. The wrong house for coffee, the wrong house for cake. Oh, cappuccino cake could be anywhere in here. But we don't have a knife. We don't have a knife. Anyway, that's enough video because that's 4 minutes of video quality gold. The light's not on in here either. Oh.
There's that end of it.
Anyway, is it all going all right?
Yeah.
Is it all going to your satisfaction?
Not quite. I didn't expect it to be this hectic.
Oh dear. Yeah. But will you be getting it sorted?
Yeah.
All right then. Good.
Okay.
Everything all right, Will?
Wonderful.
Who's going to win the European Cup?
Liverpool.
Who won last year?
Real Madrid.
Oh.
Who do you think's going
When's
to
the
win?
last time Liverpool won?
2005.
That's a long time ago. When's the last time Tottenham won?
Yeah, that's the end of this video. Right, cheerio.